I build a lot of things from scrap wood, but this project actually gets used. Let's get started. We're using a red wine barrel oak lid, just a little bit of offcut I've got hanging around. I've just cut out this little template and just going to attach it to the piece of wood with spray adhesive. I've put tape down first so that way it's nice and easy to peel off and doesn't leave residue on the wood. We're going to be using a 4mm drill bit and using the pillar drill. You can also do this on with a hand drill if you really wanted to. If you don't have a pillar drill, it will work just as well. And I also drilled out the eye. Now we're moving on to the bandsaw. Again, you could probably do this on a jigsaw if you really wanted to, or even a scroll saw. These bends were quite tight, so maybe I should have produced some relief cuts or even drilled a couple holes in the corner first, but too late now. So the saw did struggle slightly going through it, but nice and slowly, and I did it. If you're enjoying this video, if you could hit subscribe, that would really help me out. Now sawing two holes I drilled. In hindsight, I maybe should have removed the template first and then hand drawn on the lines because they weren't quite lined up completely. So I've gone in with a file to try and improve and make it look a bit better, and it definitely improves it, but it's just annoying. And if you haven't guessed, I am making an anteater cable holder so you can keep your cables nice and tidy. As you saw there, it worked quite well, and then it's just onto a lot of sanding. And what was great about this is it's made out of oak, and it's just a little bit of scrap wood I had laying around. As you can see here, it's a little dusty here, but as you can see, that colour is from the red wine. And this is what I'm on about here, where the lines don't quite meet up with the holes very well. So I tried fixing it with the file. It looks a lot better, but it's not 100% perfect. But then again, it is handmade. You don't want it to look like it's just come off of a CNC, do you really? Drilled out the hole for the eye as well. And the edge of the barrel slopes down slightly, it gives the nose slopes down. I did originally think I was going to mimic that on the other side, on the back of it, but I actually quite like how it's turned out. As you can see, it's just an old dusty piece of wood. I'm just using a bit of water here to wipe down as much of the sawdust off as I can, and it has made a bit of an improvement. Look at that, looks great. So as I put it down, I've then realised that actually the bottom isn't completely flat. Annoyingly, I didn't. If you go back to the further in the video when I was cutting off the template, I didn't actually trim the bottom. I just normally on these sort of templates, I just glue it to close to the bottom as I can, and then cut it out and just leave the bottom as it is. Annoyingly, this wasn't completely square, so it means it's been at an angle. So just used a belt sander here to give it a quick sand, and after that I moved on and used the hand sander, and look at that, looks nice. Now we're going to give it a quick finish. I decided to go Danish oil for this one, as it's an easy wipe on wipe off finish. On the back of the tin it does say it dries between 4 to 8 hours depending on humidity, so take that into mind if you're going to be using this. And yeah, I just used a sponge and applied it. But just look at the colour, look how it just brings out the colour in it. But obviously most finishes always look a lot brighter in colour as it's wet. When it dries it does sort of get a bit duller, but overall on this one, this has come out really great, and it's given it a nice protective coat. Look at that. And just like that, it is now complete. Let me know what you think of this down below. Don't forget to get your free plan. That will be available in my shop also down below. And let me know what you would have done differently. You think I made this one piece of scrap wood or whiskey barrel lid. Yes, I could have improved the bottoms of some of these a lot better than I did. Obviously, my process needs to be a bit better, but I think these things will sell great. And then not everyone has got a messy cables. Everyone's going to want to do something that will tidy that up. If Amir just sits on the edge of a bench and just has a cable sitting in it, what a great idea that is. Some people have 2 or 3 cables. This is a great project that everyone needs, and this will sell. I would sell this for probably about £6 to £7. I know it's not a lot. It was very quick. It's from a bit of scrap red wine barrel lid, but I think quick and easy. You know, they really didn't take me long to make, and if you batch them out, you could quite easily make loads of these. If you enjoyed this video, then I've queued up a video right here that I think you'll enjoy. And if you're enjoying these quick bandsaw related beginner projects, then I've got a playlist right here for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.